24 hours later.
Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
So you guys, I had like the craziest 2 days on a row. My parents are here, my boyfriend is also here, and we went yesterday grocery shopping. It was like so full of people, it was crazy. You couldn't like breathe normally. Well, at least I couldn't breathe anymore. It was insane. And today we decorated the Christmas tree. It took us like maybe 3 to 4 hours tops. but it was nice and the kitties were like super happy, and we have finally a Christmas tree, which is nice. Okay, so now we move to Advent calendar, and we are opening day 20 and 21, and I will start with AC first. Okay, so door number 20. What is that? So it says paper on it. Let's see what that is. Well, I'm not so happy for that, but let's see. Seems to be like, you know, for notes and stuff like that. This one goes to my giveaway. So we have door number 21, and I have a God. Okay, so I get a top coat, and this one I will give on my giveaway as soon as I hit 1000 subscribers, so hit that button below. And now we move to Maybelline, and we have box number 20 and 21. So on the box number 20 we get, I think we get something beautiful. So we get a mattifying powder, this one, and this is in the number 20 nude beige. So this is a nice product, and this one goes to my giveaway as well. And now box number 21, and we have a lip pencil in Dusty Rose, such a beautiful pink nude color, and this product as well goes to my giveaway. So I am so generous, or what? Okay, so we move to the last advent calendar for my kitties. So we have number 20, and we get some wet food, and this is with chicken. That is nice. And we have number 21, and we get some dry food, and this is with grass. Okay guys, so these are the videos or video for today. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of my Christmas tree, and also let me know how you like to decorate your tree. And I will see you tomorrow with something special. Bye!